Hey guys, today's video is about burpees and my name is Clint Neale. So I'm going to show you 5 different variations, including the actual burpee that most of us know by sight or by the definition of what a burpee is. Because I have a bunch of people from young to much older watching these videos, I'll start with a very basic one that may not even quite look like a burpee, but it's a baseline. It's what they can start and work up to and hopefully be able to do a real burpee or as close to that as possible. Okay, on this first of the 5 different ways, I'm going to start using this piece of furniture. Okay, so my hands are secure, and it's a pretty secure piece of furniture. Foot back, foot up, shoulder width, and stand. Once again, very basic, but it's kind of an intro to people that may not be used to it, or they may not be able to do a real burpee. So once again, hand down, foot back, foot back. Notice I don't have my butt in the air, or I'm not doing the saggy thing. So once again, hand down, foot back, up, up. And that's the first one. Alright, for burpee number 2, I am going to go down to the ground on this one. But once again, it's kind of gravitating up to what a full burpee is. So I get in the squat position, hands down, step back, step up, and stand. So I'll show you again. Squat, protect my back, legs are doing all the work, hands down. Step back, doesn't matter which foot goes back first, up, and then stand. So that was the second way. Alright, so now this is the third one. I keep stepping it up. It's not a full burpee yet. That's going to be the next one. So for number 3, I squat still, hands down, step back. Now I incorporate the full push-up, step up, and up. So I'm getting closer to that full burpee, just not the regular one that most people know the definition of the burpee. So let's squat, place the hands down, 1 foot at a time back, full push-up, step up, and stand. So that was number 3. Alright, so this is the moment you've been waiting for. The 4th one. This is the actual burpee by the definition that most people think of a burpee. Okay, so this one's a little bit quicker. I'm going to try to slow it down and do all the parts of a full burpee. So in slow motion, I still do the squat, hands down, hop, full push-up, hop, and then the final hop, plyometric hop at the end. Okay, so this is more regular speed. I'm going to show it now. Squat down, again, squat down, Alright, so this is still number 4, but just from a different angle. Okay? So once again, down, push up, and hop. So that's number 4. So this is number 5. It's a step up from the normal burpee. There's lots of variations. I'm just going to add a little bit more tougher of a jump at the end. So once again, same positioning, squat, down, push up, hop, high knee raise. Okay? So that's number 5. So that was just 5 different ways to do a burpee. There's many other variations. You could use your imagination and do all sorts of different kinds. But I did want to start with the very basic one and work your way up. And if you have any comments, put them in the box below. Subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And check out my other videos. And I'll see you next time. Thanks. Have a good day.